Major security issues in cloud computing. The use of cloud computing is still expanding significantly. In fact, a study projects that global public cloud end-user spending will increase by 20.4% in 2022. What is cloud computing? Cloud computing is the on-demand, pay-as-you-go delivery of IT resources through the internet. You can use technological services from a cloud provider on an as-needed basis to access computing power, storage, and databases instead of purchasing, owning, and maintaining physical data centers and servers. While there is no doubt in the benefits of cloud, let us discuss the top security issues in cloud computing. 1. Data leakage. 2. Lack of visibility. 3. Inadequate staff. 4. Malicious insiders. 5. Denial of service attacks. 6. Data privacy. For more such information, visit www.rskcybersecurity.com.